Top 5 Baby Play Mat.
Number 5, Jyusmile Baby Gym Play Mat. The Jyusmile Baby Gym Play Mat is an 8-in-1 activity mat designed for infants aged 0 to 12 months, promoting sensory and motor development. With a forest-themed design, it includes 6 removable hanging toys, 3 animal sensory toys, a self-discovery mirror, a cognitive cloth book, and a rattle, plus a tummy time moon pillow and a large, soft playmat. This multi-purpose gym serves as a play mat, tummy time mat, baby nest, ball pit, and fence. Measuring 43 by 39 inch, it provides ample space for exploration. Made from soft, washable fabrics, it ensures a safe, comfortable, and clean environment for babies to rest, play, and learn. Number 4, Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat. The Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat is a premium sensory play mat designed for infants and toddlers aged 3 to 24 months. It promotes muscle development in the head, neck, and shoulders while enhancing hand-eye coordination, fine motor, and social skills. Featuring colorful sea animals and engaging illustrations, this mat keeps babies entertained for hours. Made from durable, BPA-free, and non-toxic PVC, it is 100% leak-proof and waterproof. Easy to use, simply fill the center with water and inflate the edges. It folds flat for convenient storage and portability, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go play. Number 3, MioTetto Baby Play Mat. The MioTetto Baby Play Mat features interlocking EVA foam tiles, designed to create a soft, safe play area for babies and toddlers. These 12 by 12 inch tiles are non-toxic, free from harmful chemicals like BPA, lead, and phthalates, and meet stringent safety standards, including ASTM, CPSIA, and REACH. Easy to assemble, the tiles offers a customizable look with chic, stylish colors. The 0.4 inch thickness ensures cushioning from hard floors, while the waterproof surface makes it durable and easy to clean, perfect for nurseries or playrooms. Number 2, Nuby Reversible Baby Floor Mat. The Nuby Reversible Baby Floor Mat is a foldable, lightweight play mat designed for babies and toddlers. Made from 100% soft foam, it ensures safe playtime by providing a cushioned surface that protects against hard floors. Its reversible design features playful, adorable patterns that complement any room. Measuring 77 by 58 inch, the mat offers ample space for little ones to explore. Conveniently foldable, it is easy to store and transport, making it perfect for home, school, or daycare. This essential baby product is easy to clean with a damp cloth and meets all government safety regulations, ensuring peace of mind for parents.
Number 1, ZEEBABA Baby Playpen. The ZEEBABA Baby Playpen is designed for babies and toddlers, providing a safe and spacious play area. It is ideal for use in apartments, offering a secure environment for kids to explore and play while giving parents peace of mind. The playpen features sturdy, durable materials with soft padding for comfort. Its portable design makes it easy to set up or relocate, and the breathable mesh sides ensure proper ventilation and visibility. Whether for independent play or supervised activities, the ZEEBABA Playpen is a practical choice for keeping little ones safe while encouraging their development and engagement.
Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.